Hey, today I'm making a tutorial video where you can get the Kuala Lumpur or local temperature data and show on the dashboard using the HTTP request. So first we need to bring out two timestamps. You can search it on the node sections on the left. Just search timestamp. No, just search inject. Then you can bring it out like this. And this one, so for some reason, it will change to timestamp once you drag it out. And after that, we need to bring out one HTTP request from the node as well. So we need to bring out the HTTP request and connects to the timestamp on the left. And we also need to set the timestamp repeat to interval and set for about like 5 seconds. Okay, so we will refresh every 5 seconds. Next, we need to bring out one JSON node and put it next to the weather HTTP request. And from a JSON node, you don't need to change anything. Next is to bring out a function node. And this function, we need to put in this code, which is the net temperature equals to message payload current weather node temperature and the net humidity message payload hourly relative humidity to n. And here we need to put message dot temperature equals to the temperature, message dot humidity equals to humidity, and you return the message. So we need to put in this code for the function node next to the JSON. And next, we need to bring out two more function nodes. One is for the temperature, one is for the humidity data. And so how we do is we connect one weather function to two of the node, the temperature and humidity node. For temperature, we just put in this code to extract the temperature values out from the weather function, and the humidity similar. And next, the temperature temperature and humidity we need to display on the dashboard. So we need to search the dashboard element. So what I put here is a graph and a watch for the volume temperature. And here we can just either search the name of the node, or we can just scroll down to the dashboard section and bring out the node like this. And also for the cost. And next we just connect it to the one of the temperature function or the humidity. Next, how we configure the node, the chart is first we need to give it a name, and next we need to add a new group. So for this group we need to the name. Okay, so we need to add a new group. This new group we need to put a group name and put it on which page. So this page we will need to add it on the dashboard section on the right side. Just click this arrow and click the dashboard 2.0. And here we need to add a new page here. So this page means all of our valuable weather elements will be put inside here. So we just give it a name for here. I've already put a KL Smart Weather pages here. This one is just my other projects pages, so I'm currently disabling it. And so after you add a new page, it will shows up here. So we go back to the valuable temperature chart, the chart, and we add a new group. This group we just add, for example, the temperature, and the page we just put it on the page that we just created, and leave everything as default and click add. And now the chart here will show at the new page. Since I already defined it, so I don't need to do it again. So just put it back to the variable temperature section. Let's check, is it the same? Yeah, it is the same. So same for the humidity. And for the chart, we need to put the minimum value and maximum value on the y-axis. So it will show like this. For example, temperature is around 20 to 60 degrees. And for the gauge, it is similar. Just put around, for me I put around 20 to 50 degrees. And the green area is from 20 to 35, and 35 to 40 is yellow, and 40 above is a red color zone. It indicates that when temperature is too hot. Okay, this is how we configure the gauge. So it shows up like this. Let me open the dashboard. So you can open the dashboard by go to the top right. Here there's an open dashboard button. Just click on it, and here we just click the KL Smart Weather. It will shows up like here. So this is the temperature group that we just created. So this is how it shows like. So for the chart is from 20 to 50, same as the gauge. And same for the humidity, but this time the y-axis we set it to different values, because humidity is different numbers than the temperature. So on the y-axis for humidity, I'm putting from 65 to 100. Same for the gauge, and now it shows up like this one. So now the humidity is 88%, and same as the chart here. And now we will need to create a new function for the morning and night indicators, as you can see here. So we need to bring out a new function nodes like this one. Just drag it out, and this one will give you a name, the morning and night function, and this is the code we need to put inside here. The let hour equals new date, don't get hours. So if the hours is more than 6 and less than 18, then it will show morning, or else it will shows up as nighttime. This one is return the message. And here is the text node that we can show on the dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard sections, select the text node here, and connect it to a function, and from the functions connects to the first timestamp that we created. And on the morning and night node, the day and time node, you can choose to create a new group or put into the existing group that you have created. So we can just create a new group by clicking this thing here. Put the group name, for example, the day and time. Since I already created, so I don't need to create new ones. After you create it, then you can select it from here, something like this, and here we can edit the text, make it shows like how you want. So here I'm putting the text size as 40 and the layout to put the text on the middle. After we done that, just click done. And for the time, since we need to refresh it in real time, so we need to put a new inject node, which is here. We just drag it out and set this thing to interval as well, but refresh every 1 second. And we need to drag a new functions out also like this, and connects the timestamp to the functions together. And on the functions here, we need to put this code, which is let now equals to new day, and message payload is equals to now to locate time string and return the message. And here we do the same, which is put the text node. Just go to a dashboard and drag out the text node like this. And how we configure this one is for the group, same like how we did for the previous. So here I'm putting it inside the day and time, inside the chaos smart weather page. This time I'm putting the layout like this, which is label on top, the value is on the bottom, and here it is put in the center. Now same style as the morning or night indicators, which I put here is 40, and after we do that, just click done. And now we'll make sure we can double check like everything is configured correctly or not by seeing the config tab on the dashboard config tab on the right hand side here. So inside the chaos smart weather, everything is organized correctly, as we can see. And let me delete the new one that I just created. This one, only just delete it. And we just click deploy. After we click deploy, we can just click the open dashboard buttons and go to chaos smart weather, and everything will show like this. So this is how we shows the KL local weathers on Node-RED dashboard via the HTTP request or using Node-RED.